How to add logo on Housecall Pro. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add your company logo on Housecall Pro. The first thing you want to do once you have created your account, you're going to tap on settings in the top right hand corner. After tapping on settings, you'll be redirected to your profile page. Once on your profile page, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the section company description, then you'll see logo below it. All you'll need to do is simply tap on the section that says company logo. Then from there, you could add in a sample logo, or you can add in your company logo, better yet. Let's say, for instance, I were to just use this pic as an example. Then I'll just tap on save. After doing that, you can see it is being uploaded and you can see that the logo has been added. Now that the logo has been added, whenever I'm doing an invoice or a quotation, they'll now see the company logo. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.